I will not hurt you.
No.
I will never hurt you.
You are looking for him.
Yesterday, I said we will sit down together. Right?
I am calling you. Video bana. Can you hear your name?
President, yes, take. It's okay.
He is intimidating.
Intimidating?
Yes.
Are you want to use that language terminology?
Yes, you are intimidating him.
I said. You was looking for him yesterday to settle the issue. Okay, I was
You are
looking for
telling
you.
me-
I was looking for you yesterday, but you took away the. Fine.
Now these polite vehicles are from Assam Rifle. I am convoy commander, Assam Rifle. These 3 vehicles are from Assam Rifle. But right now, they are not having proper documents. So I am cooperating with you. These vehicles will remain at this place only. Not this place, not exactly this place. This place means in AOR of this company commander. He is company commander 34 AR. And these vehicles will be under his
If you want to take it by using force, fine.
No force. Not we are using not force.
Fine.
Mr. Satsang,
I will not politicalize this. I will never. But
Assam
if you want to
Rifle,
take it
Assam
by using
Rifle,
forces,
not politicizing. If you are speaking,
Fine. Take it
then
away.
speak to me.
Take it.
I
By
am
using
speaking
force.
point-wise to you. Just Mr.
Okay.
Satsang, speak to me. Speak to me. I am convoy commander. I am telling that these 3 vehicles are from Assam Rifle. I am. Just listen to me. Just listen to me.
Excuse me, gentlemen.
If you are speaking to me,
Excuse me, take it by using force. Fine.
No, I am not taking. That's why I am cooperating with you. This vehicle will remain with the company commander. He will be the in charge because this vehicle are from Assam Rifle. Listen, this vehicle are from the Assam Rifle. But right now they are not having proper documents.
We are not taking this vehicle to keep in our custody. No.
That's right, man.
Listen, I will not let my boys sleep at road. Okay? Point number one.
That's why we are requesting it.
Excuse me. Don't give conditions. If you want to take it, take it.
I will not give it
Take
to you.
it. Yes, take it now.
Yeah, I will.
Take it.
Okay.
Take it. Take
Okay.
it. Take it.
Mr.
If you want,
Again,
if you want to
I tell
take it by using forces, by
No.
using arms,
You are
fine.
not listening.
No.
You are not listening. I
Take it,
will-
take it, take it.
If we will